The wife has said that suddenly she was out of windshield washer fluid, so as a good husband, what do? Put windshield washer fluid in, but little did I know there was a leak. Let me show you where this leak was and how easy it is to fix this. In a 2007 Toyota Solara, or this generation Solara with the V6, the reservoir is right here. Now, being that today I'm also changing the oil on it, to do the job right so that you don't spill oil everywhere, you have to take this part of the liner off the bottom, right? You with me? So being that I was right here, well, let me check under the reservoir. Lo and behold, check this out. The line came disconnected from the pump, and the pump is right here. Now the pump, I don't know if you could tell, the pump has a bevel on it, and the hose is rather loose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the hose back on, but I'm going to put a zip tie on it as well. Let me show you what it looks like once it's repaired, because it's kind of hard to do this and film at the same time. So super easy to fix. I'm super glad that that's all this was. So let me put this hose back on with the zip tie, and I'll show you what it's going to look like when it's done. And here we go, guys. That's what the, let's call it repair, if you will, looks like. For the time being, this will have to work. The reason why this hose probably came off is because I mean, this is a very old rubber hose, and it probably just fell out. The wife probably went over a bump, and it slipped out and lost all the windshield washer fluid. What this does, it saves you the hassle of having to remove this whole front bumper to replace the windshield washer reservoir, if that was even an issue. But like I said, we got lucky this time. Now that the hose is reinstalled, I'm guessing that was the problem with the system. We can do a leak check and an ops check. We'll put some windshield washer fluid in it. Right now I'm going with a bug removal, which is good up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Then when the winter comes, I'll put something that would stand lower temperatures a little better. And you can also do that actually by adding to the current windshield washer fluid, or whatever solution you have in a car. If you add isopropyl alcohol, it will make that washer fluid resistant to freezing. This is why alcohol, when you put the bottle in the freezer, it never freezes. Okay. And it looks like we are leak-free. Nothing is coming down I get used to. We can now do an ops check of the system. Okay, ops check-in. No, how does this work? Right here. That's it. System is fixed. As always, guys, hope this video was of help to you. We will see you at the next one. Have a good weekend. Happy Labor Day.